A very charming morning to everyone. I, JANVI of class 9th Newton today is standing before you to share some views about attitude. Yesterday you may have heard a story about Hafiz, a farmer who bought a farm but was told by a wise man that some few diamonds can buy a whole country. And he sold his farm by listening that, and he didn't even realize that land was a land of diamonds. So with that story, I would like to conclude that when our attitude is right, we all realize that we are walking on acres of diamonds. Opportunities are always under our feet. We don't have to go anywhere. People who don't know how to recognize opportunity complain of noise when they knock. Opportunities knock only once. The next one may be better or worse, but never the same. So it is so crucial to make the right decision at the right time, because even a right decision made at the wrong time becomes a wrong decision. You know, the grass on the other side always seems to be greener. Why is that? Well, it can have two dimensions. One, that the other farmer is taking very good care of it and it is actually greener. But you know what the second dimension is? It is only an illusion. And in our life, we spend time chasing an illusion while we lose out the opportunity that is right under our own feet. So my dear friends, lost opportunities are easier recognized when they are leaving rather than when they are coming. Thank you and have a wonderful day.